Hello and welcome to the channel. Quite recently, during their 2024 Worldwide Developers Conference, Apple came up with Apple Intelligence. We already have covered it in a couple of videos on the channel. Apple Intelligence is a personal intelligence system which is integrated deeply into iOS 18, iPad OS, and Mac OS Sequoia. Apple Intelligence consists of multiple highly capable generative models that are fast, efficient, specialized for users' everyday tasks, and can adapt on the fly for their current activity. The foundation models built into Apple Intelligence have been fine tuned for user experiences such as writing and refining text, prioritizing and summarizing notification, creating playful images for conversations with family and friends, and taking in app actions to simplify interactions across applications. I am more interested in the technical details and modeling overview for these foundation models behind Apple Intelligence. In this paper, they have described some of the details, but unfortunately, not all of them. But still, they mentioned that they are using two of these models, which is AFM on device, and AFM stands for Apple Foundation Models, which is a 3 billion parameter language model. And then we have AFM Server, which is likely 70 billion parameter model, and they have been built and adapted to perform specialized tasks efficiently, accurately, and responsibly, which you can see in this figure. These two foundation models are part of a larger family of models created by Apple to support users and developers. And this includes even a coding model, which is again based on AFM language model to build intelligence into Xcode, as well as diffusion model to help user express themselves visually in the Messages app, for example. So they have come up with language models, vision models, and also coding models. Apple Intelligence is designed with Apple's core values at every step and built on foundation of industry leading privacy protection. Also, they have created responsible AI principles to guide how we develop AI tools, such as models underpinning them. So there are three key areas where this model shine. First, empowering user with intelligence tool. So all of these tools which you use in your day-to-day life, they are powered by LLMs now. Also, in order to cater for diversity, they are representing users with globe authentically and representing all corners of the globe while avoiding stereotypes and systematic biases across AI tools and models. And they have taken a lot of precautionary steps in order to design all of their models and AI surrounding it with care. And they are continuously and proactively improving their AI tools with user feedback. And of course, privacy is huge for Apple, and they have also been working on something like groundbreaking infrastructure like private cloud compute, and these of all of principles are reflected at every stage of architecture that enables Apple Intelligence and connects features and tools with specialized models. So as I said earlier, both the architecture looks quite interesting. Both AFM models are dense decoder only model that build on the transformer architecture. So how this dense decoder only model works? First, it's a shared input output embedding matrix which it uses to reduce memory usage for parameters. It also uses pre-normalization with RMS norm for training stability. It also uses query key normalization to improve training stability, and it also uses grouped query attention with 8 key value heads to reduce KV cache memory footprint. Also, it uses Swiglu activation for higher efficiency, and also a row or a rotary positional embedding with the base frequency set to 500K for long context support. Other than that, they have been using synthetic data and human annotated data, such as mathematics at wizard lm underscore AI. They are also using tool usage, and it so the way they do it quite interesting. First, they focus on single tool use case, and then they gradually progress to multi-tool scenario. Also, they are using treating the combination of different data sources as an optimization problem, which is quite interesting. They also have two new algorithms. One is called as ITAC, which stands for Iterative Teaching Committee, and then they have MDLOO, which is Mirror Descent with Leave One Out Estimation. Now, just a quick word on these two algorithms. The ITEC is an iterative reinforcement learning with human feedback framework that combines various preference optimization algos it uses a diverse model committee for data collection. And then the other one, the mirror descent one, it is an online RLHF algo that uses a leave one out estimator for advantage estimation and mirror descent policy optimization for policy update. The post training pipeline is quite interesting. It's a classic one, and for example, the size of code instruction dataset is only 12,000 sample. That's it. So I will drop the link to this paper in video's description. The good thing is that it is very simply written. So even if you don't have a machine learning background, still you can make sense out of it. So go through it. Let me know what do you think. Hopefully we will also be getting these models to get them installed locally somehow. So let's wait for them to come out. For the open source one, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.